Hello, hello. So this is my trading session video for 3 of August 2021. And yeah, we have a few trades, 3 trades to be honest. I know I only trade 2, but still I skipped a lot of trades. And yeah, when you trade 2 pairs, it's difficult to trade only 2 trades because there are a lot of opportunities. Anyway, I'm going to talk about them, and so this was my first trade here. All right, so I took a sell. So we had this week here. This is a 1 hour chart. This week was here, so this was kind of providing resistance. Also, this zone here. Also, those weeks there, the same, providing resistance there. You see. So, okay, we are rejecting that and that, and we had a 1 hour bearish close, right? So when price went up a little bit just to make the week, I normally enter in the close of this candle, but in here I've just let it retrace a bit, and I took a short with stop just above this zone here. All right, so quite a big stop, but it was also quite a big target. So that was like an 18 pip stop. 18 pip will be somewhere here, so a lot of room to go and all clean traffic to the downside. So I thought to myself, well, this is a great opportunity. It ended up not working out, so uh, I don't see nothing wrong here except for the trend is very bullish, but man, that's just the way it is, isn't it? Yeah, I don't really see nothing wrong here. We are rejecting resistance here, rejecting resistance that was support, and we are doing it here. We did it here again, but in here there was no. So anyway, this trade I cut it earlier, like in the 30 minutes, as we broke this high of this 30-minute candle. I closed half, and then in the next candle I see it going down, but it broke the high again of that next candle. So I cut everything there, and it was the best thing I did. It was like a half of a loss instead of a full loss, which is great. That's how we do it. We manage risk, and we try to take as lower the stops as we can. So there is no point. It's very rare to take a full stop. Very, very rare. So okay, that was my first trade, and it was a loss of a loss. So then I went to GJ. GJ, that was my first trade here. So we broke up all those weeks there, and yeah, and I just jump in. We made. I was counting on price to go here, right? So to this zone here. That's the 30-minute, and also again 30-minute here, 30-minute there, 1 hour here. So I'm going to put the white line more or less in the place I wanted the stop to be. You see, 30-minute, 30-minute. So we end up not going there, and unfortunately I didn't close anything. So this was just, and we went 13 pips in profit. Yeah, and the stop was not here. The stop was, oh yeah, it was here. That was only 10 pips. Now initially, I'm not sure. I'm not sure where my stop was, but if it was here, I should have taken there the 1-to-1. If it was here, but I think I was trading in the 1 hour, and I placed my stop below here. I think it was that. Yeah, yeah, that's 20 pips there. So I was expecting something more from this trade. Anyway, it went to 13. I could have taken it, and I didn't. Not even 50%. Sometimes you just don't know, and it's rubbish. It's rubbish when you should always take some. You should always take some, but not too early also. So this is a difficult balance to, you know. If I had the stop here, yeah, absolutely, absolutely, I should have taken that. But I don't think my stop was here. I think it was below this one, but it should have been here. This is the 30-minute candle. Yeah, and if we are breaking that, anyway, break even trade here. Um, what a shame. Like I should have taken at least half of my position. But yeah, it's difficult because it only touches the 13 pips and then it starts retracing, and it will, when you want to take it, it's like 7 or 6, and you know it's difficult unless you have a target, a TP in there, which I don't because my target is there, you know. So anyway, then I was very patient. I was waiting for the retest of this zone here. No retest, it just sliced through. And not only that, it sliced through the low in here. It broke this one. Also broke this support here. Look, it sliced through everything, you know. So I had another entry when we broke out this candle. All right, because this is the only place we have from that high. I cannot enter here because we have problems in here. I cannot enter when you break down here, of course. I cannot enter here because we have problems in here. You know, so now I can enter here because there are no problems till here. All right, so I have room here. And yeah, so I was a bit tired of I end up closing 12 pips in here. Okay, why is that? Because I'm tired of making 12, 13 and not taking anything, you know. And unfortunately this time market run like crazy in my direction. Like, look, that's 60 pips in my direction. And yeah, anyway, I took 12. I secured the profit for the day. That was my intention and my goal. And and I should have done it. I should do it more often, you know, because again, the stop is in here. I'm barely 1 to 1, so my stop is here. So that's 15. I took 12 there, or it was 12 because spreads and everything. It was like 12, but 15 was just here, you know. My target was here at 16, and it would be an easy target to go. I could have closed only 50%, but as I said, I didn't want price to retrace. I want to take my target. I want to secure my profit for the day, make sure I end up in profit. And that's what I did. That's what I did. Now, let's talk about missing opportunities, okay? Because there was a lot. And I totally, sometimes we just don't see things, and things are here to see, and it's just very unfortunate. And we gotta get used. So, and I'm talking about breakouts and retests. Okay, we broke out here from this zone. We broke out. We came down. We rejected the zone again. All right, we closed bullish here. So this is a buy immediately here. Okay, this is a breakout and retest, and this is a buy. You don't have to wait for the week in the upside. This is a buy here. Okay, even even if the price will hang out here for a bit, or it might come down, and you know, but your stop is just below here. This is a buy. You expect trend continuation. This is a breakout and retest, and it closed bullish, engulfing the previous candle. You know, this is not really real. This is only, this type of thing is only resistance when you are in the end of the trend, which was there. That was the end of the trend. You know, but till you have signs that you are in the end of the trend, you have yeah, you don't know it's going to be the end. So if we broke out and we retest and we are going up again, so we are just continuing the trend, resuming the trend. So this will be no resistance. This will be no resistance. It's just going over it. So anyway, I end up entering only very securely, only when we broke all those wicks. You see, all those wicks there. And that's, yes, it's very safe, but but you missed most of the profit. Look, if I took an entry here, in there I would be already at 13 pips. With another 12, that would be like 27, you know. So I could have entered here, I could have added here, and that's it, and that's it. And I could have taken my TP there, and I could have, or just, I don't know. This is a missed entry here, and this was GJ, breakout and retest. And the same happened on GA. Same here. We broke out after my stop. Look, we broke up, we broke everything up, everything. Okay, I didn't enter here. This was also a trading opportunity when we break all those weeks up. So that's the first missed opportunity. But it's only 10 pips, okay? So that to me it would end up well, maybe not. Maybe I would not enter here because we have problems. Just here, okay? Just here we have problems. But when we come down and we retest this zone again, we are retesting the zone and we are going up again like crazy. The break of this high is an entry. The break of this high is an entry. And this is again just like GJ. It is a very, very safe entry. Um, Not the safer. The safer is always to break the high, you know. But this one has way more potential than this one. Okay, so again, I missed the trade here. I missed the trade. So I would say, yeah, not taking the risk of over trading, but when you trade two pairs, I think you can at least do 3 to 4 trades a day. Yeah. As long as you know what you are doing, of course. So I'll try. I try not to do it for now, but I'm just showing the opportunities that were there. And anyway, and from here, I'm not interested anymore in any trading because we are in this rangy zone. So this will be problems all over the place. We need to go over this. We need to go over this area to consider something. All right. So nothing for me now. And yeah, same on GJ. This just went down like crazy. And yeah, yeah, maybe it's finding some support now. Now the thing is, it has to come back here. It has to come back to this zone and do some sort of resistance and then come down again. So that's what I'm expecting, but I will not be here trading anymore. So that was my session. Loads of trading, loads of opportunities, just amazing. A shy profit, just a tiny bit of profit, but I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm alright. I did the right things. This trade was amazing. I took it early, but I also think that was great. This one I could have taken early. I think I might start to take trades to take my profits early. Just close full, take 10, 12 pips. 12 pips. I think 12 pips is the math I'm doing, is the target I'm looking for. Unless it's a breakout and retest and you see there has room to go more. But you still can close. It has room, but you still can close. Like look, if I close in the weak fill in there, I close 13 pips and let the rest run at the same time. At the same time, you might enter another trade there. I don't know. I don't know. It's just this is a different trade from this one. All right. So you know this one still has potential to go if you are entering there, isn't it? So you might just leave it alone, and you know it's going to run for another 12 pips or something like that. So yeah, that was my trading session. I hope you liked it, and that's it, Mister. And enjoy everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Cheers.